Guys, welcome to my live trading results. This is December 25th, so that's the date right there. So quickly going to the Binance account. So of course I've been trading with Binance, and this is a live account, and within the last 30 days this account has done well over 54%, and within the last 90 days this account has done almost well over 70%, right? Well over 70% within the last 90 days. Does that mean, yep, there were one or two losses here and there? As you can see, there's a sharp dip around here, and there are some dips around here, and between here and here there was no gain. And anyways, so that's well over 67%. No, let me hit the well over 67% in the last 90 days, right? So if you have a company, right, and you guys have billions of naira sitting in your account, we can actually give you a service of 3 to 5% monthly, right? And you can give back to your investors on a yearly basis, per annum, right? You can give back your investors 30 to 50% or 20% per annum to your investors, right? So I've had well over I can give you guys my 12 months trading result. All right, guys, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I don't drop trading results every time, but if you check through my YouTube, I've not been dropping every time. But of course, this trading result I showed you the last 30 days. Unfortunately, this thing cannot show more than 90 days, so I've showed you the live trading results. So this last 90 days trading result covers, as you can see, we can't go more than that, covers a lot of things, right? All right, guys, see ya.